Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
Today, I'm moving on to installing the attic ladder. This is the moment where my attic truly becomes accessible and useful. Installing an attic ladder adds convenience, safety, and functionality to your home. It all starts with choosing a high-quality attic ladder. The frame, hinges, and steps all play a vital role in strength, stability, and safe use. If you want a detailed step-by-step breakdown of the process, including the tools you'll need and the essential safety precautions, be sure to check out my full tutorial video in the description below. This time-lapse gives you a fast-paced view, but by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Here's the installation process in action, shown in time-lapse. With the attic ladder installed, I now have safe and easy access to the attic space. If you want a full demonstration of how it works and tips on using it safely, I've already got that video ready for you on my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete attic ladder installation playlist, or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. Your support really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your questions, tips, or suggestions about attic ladder installation. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.